Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll begin a new monthly series where we'll check out the progress on the construction of a new high-rise bridge over the Intracoastal Canal in Bellchase, Louisiana. This new bridge will replace the Bellchase Tunnel and the Judge Perez Drawbridge that currently carry Louisiana Highway 23 in Plaquemines Parish. The tunnel was built beginning in 1954 in conjunction with the building of the Intracoastal Waterway and opened in 1956. The tunnel carried two-way traffic until 1968 when the adjacent Judge Perez Bridge was built to carry northbound traffic. In 2018, plans were announced for a new high-rise bridge to be constructed between the tunnel and the vertical lift bridge. A contract was awarded in December of 2019 and a virtual groundbreaking was held on April 14th of 2021. The $160 million tunnel and bridge replacement project will include a new bridge with 4 12-foot travel lanes, a 4-foot and 8-foot shoulder in each direction, and a dedicated bicycle and pedestrian lane. The new bridge is projected to be open by 2024 and demolition of the existing structures to be completed in 2025. LA 23 is one of only 2 roads in and out of Plaquemines Parish. The current bridge is lifted around 10 times per day for marine traffic, causing an average of 7 minutes delay to automotive traffic. The new bridge will eliminate the need for a drawbridge. Now, progress on the construction has become evident, so we'll be taking a monthly trip down here to see the progress. We conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.